guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're new here, I'm Tori and I create content all around natural living, wellness, sustainability, and our puppy or our dog, she is a year and a half now, Aussie Doodle Frankie, which might be in and out of this too. She's very curious about what's in this box. So I'm going to unbox this. If you are unfamiliar with Simply Earth, this is an essential oil company. They have high quality oils. They really just take the stress out of natural living and using essential oils and make it fun and easy and doable and achievable. So each month you can subscribe to their monthly box, or you can just go on and buy products individually. But their box is $39 a month and you get a ton of things, which I'm going to show you this month. And then recipes to make to use the oil. So you're not just buying 20 oils and then they're just going to sit on your shelf. You're getting 4 each month, and they're going to be seasonal things you're going to use that month, and they give you recipes and how to use them, and so much information, so much education. Also, when you join, you get access to a free Essential Oil Hero course, which just dives into tons of information like safety, dilution, how to use the oils, are they safe, do they work, all of the things. So anyways, without any more info, let's get into August box. So the theme is stress bath box. Let's see, it usually says the value too. Oh, it doesn't say on here. I'll try to look it up before I am done, but the value is way over the $40 you pay each month. And I think I forgot to say this, but when you use my code to get this box, Torey Noora free, which will be here and in the description, you get a gift card back to use towards products, and then you also get this free big bonus box, which has some carrier oils and some containers. I just got a new one, so I'm going to show you exactly what's in the big bonus box in a second. But anyways, this is the August monthly subscription recipe box. Can open it. Okay, so when you open it, you have your 4 oils here, and I'm using a different camera and a different setup today, so sorry if I'm like looking around. It's not what I'm used to, so sorry in advance. But here are the 4 oils, and then you get your ingredients and things you'll need to make the recipes. And then of course the recipe cards, which I'm collecting a lot and I really am excited about. They just came out with a new box to keep all of these in, which I thought was cool. But these are the recipe cards, and then you also get the stickers and labels, and they're really cute. So, they're like purpley this month too. So literally everything you need, guys. It's super easy, like I said. And Simply Earth gives back 13% of their profits to help end human trafficking, which all of that information is on their website. So a really, really cool brand, and I'm just so thankful that I've come across them and get to work with them every month because I love them, if you can't tell. Okay, anyways, let's go. So here's the recipes. I'll first show the oils and then I'll show the recipes. So sorry, I am again learning to use this camera. This is sage, and I don't think I have sage. I'm excited. This is from the leaves. It's from Spain. It's earthy and floral, which sounds like something I will love. But on the back of the bottle, I can't see if this is clear. I gotta figure something else out. It'll tell you. And then the Pure Promise, which you can go on and look up. This little number shows you the oil and the test results, which is super important. Ooh, this smells like eucalyptus. Weird. It smells very much like eucalyptus. And I don't know if you've ever done like saging your house. That's just super smoky to me. You can't really get the full like sage smell, but it doesn't really smell like that is where I was going with that. Next is Supreme Peppermint. I don't know why it's called Supreme, but I bet they'll tell us. So this is from the herb of the plant, and it's from India, and it is a sharp and minty sweet aroma. Okay, Supreme Peppermint. I'm interested to know why it's Supreme, but ooh, this is so good. This is not your typical regular peppermint. It is very sweet. Oh, it's like gum. It's super fresh, super minty. I love that. Lavender 4042. I have this one already. So this is just a very specific formulation of the oil, I guess, to put it easily. It has very specific constituents, which I always say that wrong, but it is 40% linalool and 42% linalool acetate, which are constituents, are just different parts of the oil and what make them work in different ways. It is very, so this one specifically, it, as far as it being like different from regular or your typical lavender, it's more, I don't know, I think it's more earthy to me. It says it is from France and it calms and relaxes with a fresh floral aroma. Everyone knows what lavender smells like. It's the queen of essential oils. It's amazing. And then every month you get 3 oils and then a blend, which is a blend of different single essential oils. This one is called Peace and Quiet. Why haven't I opened this yet? I usually open them early. This was tucked away and I forgot about it actually. But this is a blend of sweet orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime. That sounds really good. And the kids are coming in, so you might hear them upstairs. Ooh, this is very citrusy. Very citrusy, but grounding, which that is an amazing blend because citrus oils are uplifting, right? But they're also can help calm you, and just that they're promote happy. So it's very grounding and happy. I love this. It's very different from any like peace and calming or peace and quiet like type of blend that I've used before. It's I love that it's super uplifting as well as calming and grounding. Okay, recipes. Then I'll show you what they put or gave you, I guess, with each one. So the first one is a purple striped bath salts. Let's see. So this is, it says how long it will take, how much you're going to make, how to do it, all of the things, and then tips. The back is a note from Katie, the recipe, formulator, and certified aromatherapist. She's always fun. So let's see. This you need Epsom salt, coconut oil, lavender, and the sage. Oh, and then a half a teaspoon of purple Brazilian clay. So they give you that. So there's the clay that you'll use for that recipe. The next one is Quiet Moment Roll-On. So you'll put peace and calming, lavender, and the peppermint in a roller, the rollers will come in your big bonus box, and I'll show you all of that in a second. But just recipe to do a little roller, which I love that. It just takes the brain power out of it too. It just gives you exactly how many drops, and it's not like if you do 5 drops instead of 3, you're gonna be okay. Just in the ballpark of what they give you is good. So the back of this one has a sneak peek of next month, and I see Sweet Dreams blend, coffee, cinnamon, blood orange. Okay, that sounds really good. The next one is a self-care diffuser blend. So what you'll do is just get an empty essential oil bottle, which will come in your big bonus box, and you just put 28 drops peace and calming, 14 peppermint, 15 sage, and 43 lavender, and you just fill up. It's kind of like a diffuser bomb, so you're making your own blend. Basically, it's really cool. So there's the recipe for that. Fizzy purple bath scoop. What is this? So this will be, slowly add your mixture. Instructions. Bath scoop. I don't know what this is. I guess you make, it's lavender, coconut oil. No, it's not lavender. Why did I say that? Coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, so solid and liquid, then peace and calming, baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, and the purple Brazilian clay. So you make it, you melt the oils, then mix in the dry ingredients, and then once the coconut oil is melted, add the essential oils and stir, and slowly add oil to your dry ingredients while stirring. That's kind of confusing. I want to, oh, the back, there we go. So it's a common ingredient for fizzing, but find it irritating if you have sensitive skin. Okay, to use, place a bath truffle into the bath and watch it fizz. So you're making basically a bath truffle bomb. Sorry, that was confusing to me. Toilet cleaning bombs. So this, you're going to, oh, this is amazing, you guys. So you just drop this in your toilet, remove it from the mold and drop it into the toilet to deodorize. Super cool, like a bath cleaning balm for your toilet. Lava rock shower diffuser. Oh, this is cool. So this is what came in to make this. Oh, and also there's citric acid to make those bath bomb and toilet bombs. But this is a cool little lava rock shower diffuser. So lava rocks are really good for making DIY diffusers. I use them in a lot of my, I make diffuser jewelry on Etsy, and this lava rock or lava stone is a main ingredient or main thing that I use in those. And this is a little string to, I guess, make a little diffuser for your shower. You can hang it in there. It smells really good. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 recipes. All of the stickers too, which, like I said, are super cute. They're not just there. And also the stickers again, which are super cute. Okay, so here I'm very excited about that diffuser for the shower and for making the toilet cleaning bombs. Those sound so good and I need them. We have hard water, so I have to clean the toilets so much. Okay, so here's the big bonus box. This has fractionated coconut oil, 6 5-milliliter bottles, roll-ons, coconut oil, almond oil, and beeswax. It's over $40 value for free when you join. Use my code and it comes with your first monthly box. So this is the beeswax. Little beeswax pellets. Here's the solid coconut oil. It's a huge jar of that. Let's see if I can get it back in here. And then there's fractionated coconut oil, which is the liquid coconut oil. Almond oil, also liquid. And then rollers and bottles, which these are the ones you'll use for the diffuser bombs or the blends that you'll make for the recipe, and then rollers for the roll-ons. So this is super handy. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of things because that's the case a lot when you're starting with essential oils. I feel like you get this kit or you buy all of these oils and because you like them and your friend wanted you to buy them, and then you have to go on Amazon and get all of these glass jars and all the things. Well, they make it super easy and send you this to start with. You also get one every 6 months, I believe. So it's just awesome. Another perk of joining. And so many have joined already, and I am so excited for you guys. Let me know what your favorite month has been. I think the summer months are my favorite. Like we made a plant spray, a bug spray, a bug roll-on, which we've been using a lot. We got a lavender hydrosol, which I think I have in here because I use it as a like a room spray. You can just, it's an all-purpose spray, but this came last month. It's just always so cool. I'm never disappointed in a box, so love that. Let me know what your favorite thing is this month. And if you're subscribing, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, my link and code will be in the description. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.